Welcome back friend. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here to my channel, consider to subscribing and also like this video. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone. Open any chat app such as WhatsApp, Messages app or Messenger app. Here your keyboard is appear. After that, tap on the Messages field and open your keyboard. After the keyboard is open, you can go to the Samsung keyboard toolbar. But if you don't see the toolbar, don't worry. Simply tap on the arrow icon and automatically appear the toolbar. After that, located various options. Find the clipboard icon. This is a small box icon. Once you found them, simply tap on it and you can access your Samsung clipboard. If you want to paste any copy item, simply tap on it and right now this text automatically paste it and you can easily send them. That's it, how you can easily access Clipboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.